Let us now continue solving systems of linear equations. This time, it is by using elimination method. The most commonly used algebraic method of solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables are elimination method, which can be done by addition or by subtraction. And the second one is by using substitution method. Solving system of equation by elimination using addition and subtraction. We follow the following steps. First, we put the equations in standard form, following the formula ax plus by is equal to c. Second step is to determine which variable should you eliminate. First, we look for variables that have the same coefficient. Third, we add or subtract the equations. We solve for the variable. Fourth, we plug back in to find the other variable. We substitute the value of the variable into the equation. And the last one, we check for our solution. Substitute your ordered pair into both equations to tell whether it is correct or not. Let us try solving the system below using elimination method. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 5. And our second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 7. And to do this, the first step is to put the equations in standard form. And looking at equation 1 and equation 2, they are already in standard form. The second step is to determine which variable should we eliminate. The y's have the same coefficient, which is 1. And then the third step, we determine if we are going to use addition or subtraction. Looking at our sign for the coefficient of y, the first one is positive and the other is negative. So we will be using elimination by addition since the signs are different. So we have to eliminate the variable y. X plus y is equal to 5 plus the equation 2, 3x minus y is equal to 7. The y now, since they have different signs, will be eliminated. So what will happen is x plus 3x is equal to 4x and 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. We have the coefficient of x, which is 4. So to remove this, we divide both sides of the equation by 4. 4x divided by 4 is equal to x and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Next step is to plug back in to find the other variable. Since we have equation 1 as x plus y is equal to 5, and we get the value of x as 3, we substitute 3 to the value of x, so we have now 3 plus y is equal to 5. By using addition property of equality, positive 3 moved to the right side of the equation becomes negative 3. Therefore, the value of y will be equal to 5 minus 3 and that is equal to 2. Next step is to check whether our solution is correct in equation 1 and equation 2. If x is equal to 3, therefore, in equation 1, we'll have 3 plus 2 and that will be equal to 5. For equation 2, x is 3, y is 2, we have 3 times 3 minus 2 should be equal to 7. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, the ordered pair 3, 2 is correct in equation 1 and it is also correct in equation 2. We can now conclude that 3, 2 is a solution to the system of linear equation. So we now have the second example in solving the system of linear equation using elimination. The first equation is 4x plus y is equal to 7, and the second equation is 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 2. The first step, we put the equation in standard form, and they are already in standard form. The second step is to determine which variable should we eliminate. The x have the same coefficient, which is both equal to positive 4. Third step is to determine if we will add or subtract the equations. Since the coefficient of x is both positive 4, we will be using subtraction to eliminate the variable x. So we have 4x plus y is equal to 7 minus the second equation, 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 2. 4x minus 4x will be equal to 0. Therefore, 4x will be eliminated. And then y minus negative 2y will be equal to 3y. And 7 minus negative 2 is equal to positive 9. We have here 3 as the coefficient of y. To remove 3, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3y divided by 3, that is equal to y, and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Fourth step, we plug back in to find the other variable. We have the equation 1, 4x plus y is equal to 7. We were able to get the value of y as 3. Therefore, we substitute 3 to the value of y. The equation will become 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. Then, we need to move positive 3 to the other side of the equation, and that is by using addition property of equality. Positive 3 will become negative 3. Our equation B now will become 4x is equal to 7 minus 3, and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So 4x is equal to 4. We divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is 4. 4x divided by 4 will have x, and 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Now we have the value of x as 1, and the value of y is equal to 3. So, the last step is to check whether our solution is correct. We have 1, 3 as our solution. Is it correct to equation 1 and equation 2 as well? In equation 1, we have 4x plus y is equal to 7. So, we substitute 4 times 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, and that is also equal to 7. So, it is true in equation 1. What about in equation 2? 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 2. We substitute the value of 1 for x, and we substitute the value of 3 for y. So, what now will happen is 4 times 1 minus 2 times 3 is equal to negative 2. 4 times 1 is 4, minus 2 times 3 is 6. 4 minus 6, that is equal to negative 2. So, we have now 1, 3 as a solution to equation 1. It is also a solution to equation 2. Therefore, we can conclude that 1, 3 is a solution to the system of linear equation. Third example in solving the system using elimination method. The first equation is y is equal to 7 minus 2x. The second equation is 4x plus y is equal to 5. First step is to put the equation in standard form. First equation is in slope-intercept form, and to make it in standard form, we have negative 2x moving to the left side of the equal sign, becomes positive 2x, and that is by addition property of equality. The equation 1 will become 2x plus y is equal to 7. This time, it's already in standard form. Our equation 2 is already in standard form. That is 4x plus y is equal to 5. We just copy. Second step is we determine which variable should we eliminate. The y's have the same coefficient. The coefficient of y is both positive 1. So, the third step is we use subtraction to eliminate the variable y. So, we have now 2x plus y is equal to 7 minus the second equation, 4x plus y is equal to 5. We eliminate y by subtraction. What's now left is 2x minus 4x is equal to negative 2x, and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. The coefficient of x is negative 2. We divide both sides of the equation by negative 2. So, negative 2x divided by negative 2 is equal to x, and 2 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 1. Fourth step is to plug back in to find the other variable. In our equation 1, y is equal to 7 minus 2x. We were able to get the variable x as equal to negative 1. So, we substitute y is equal to 7 minus 2 times negative 1, which is the value of x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is equal to positive 2. And 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Therefore, our value for y is equal to 9. Fifth step is to check our solution. From the fourth step, we were able to derive that the value of x is negative 1 and the value of y is equal to 9. So, we'll check whether this is a solution to the system. We substitute 9 to y and we substitute negative 1 to x. In our equation 1, 9 is equal to 7 minus 2 times negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is equal to positive 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So, it is true in equation 1. What about in equation 2? 4x plus y is equal to 5. 4 times the value of x is negative 1 plus the value of y is 9 is equal to 5. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 plus 9, it is equal to 5. It is true in equation 1. It is also true in equation 2. Therefore, negative 1, positive 9 is a solution to the system of linear equation. Fourth example in using elimination method. Equation 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Equation 2, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Sa equation 1 at equation 2, kung mapapansin natin ay wala tayong coefficient ng x o ng y na parehas. Kailangan ay magkaroon tayo ng parehas na coefficient, either sa x or sa y. Para mangyari ito, halimbawa ay gusto nating i-eliminate ang y. So, yung coefficient ng y sa equation 2 na 3 ay imumultiply natin sa equation 1. At yung coefficient ng y sa equation 1 na 2 ay imumultiply naman natin sa equation 2. So, ang mangyayari, yung equation 1 will be multiplied by 3 at yung equation 2 ay imumultiply naman natin by 2. So, we now have 3 times 3x is equal to 9x. And 3 times 2y is equal to 6y. 3 times 11 is equal to 33. Yung equation 2 naman natin, 2 times 2x is equal to 4x. And 2 times 3y is equal to 6y. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Ngayon, mapapansin natin na ang coefficient ng y ay pareho ng positive 6. Since pareho siyang positive 6, pwede na ngayon natin siyang i-eliminate by subtraction. So, we subtract equation 1 by equation 2. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. Then, 6y minus 6y, mawawala na yon. Ang matitira na lang ay 33 minus 8 is equal to 25. So, we now have 5x is equal to 25. Ang coefficient ng x ay 5. Para mawala yan, divide both sides by 5. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5. Ngayon na may value na tayo ng x na 5, ay kukunin naman natin ang value ng y at gagamitin natin dito ang equation 2. So, ang equation 2 natin ay 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Isa-substitute natin yung 5 sa x. We'll now have 2 times 5 plus 3y is equal to 4. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3y is equal to 4. Yung positive 10, by addition property of equality, ililipat natin sa kanan ng equal sign ay magiging negative 10. So, 3y is equal to 4 minus 10. Then, we'll have 3y is equal to 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Ang coefficient ng y ay 3. I-divide natin both side by 3. So, we'll have 3y divided by 3 is equal to y, and negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Therefore, we'll have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to negative 2, or we have the coordinates 5, negative 2. Let us now check if our ordered pair is really a solution or not. For equation 1 and our equation 2. We have the ordered pair 5, negative 2. So, we substitute it in equation 1. For equation 1, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Substituting 5, negative 2, we'll have 3 times 5 plus 2 times negative 2 should be equal to 11. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times negative 2 is 4. So, we'll have 15 plus negative 4, and that is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11 in our equation 1. It is true. What about in equation 2? 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So, substitute 5, negative 2 to equation 2. We'll have 2 times 5 plus 3 times negative 2 should be equal to 4. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So, 10 plus negative 6 will be equal to 4. And 4 is really equal to 4. 5, negative 2 is a solution to equation 1. It is also a solution to equation 2. Therefore, it is a solution to the system of linear equation we have in our given. That's all for today. See you on our next video lessons. Keep safe, everyone.